Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make very simple kind of light or side dishes which is quite healthy. The main ingredient is beetroot. We know beetroot has a lot of health benefit which helps you with if you're into the sport, actually having a lot of beetroot or beetroot juice actually improve your performance because increase our blood to take more oxygen, therefore you have more energy to burn and you don't get that fatigue. Basically the ingredient we need for this food is very simple. It's a beetroot, a bit of chili, coriander, onion, lentil, I use the can, a bit of paprika, salt and olive oil. I learned this recipe from some of the doctor which I was visit. They are Indian background and they was consuming this food with just like a bit of a small piece of bread as a lunch. I thought it's good to try it and I hope myself and my family enjoy it and hope you try to do it the same and enjoy it with your family and friend as well. Let's get started then. The first steps to fry the onion. Just cut it to a small piece. You don't have to be frying that onion. That's the first steps. Add some olive oil, not a lot. I think that's enough. And a bit of salt. And slowly let it to get fried slowly, and when they become transparent and lose a bit of water, and that's the time I will add our beetroot as well as lentil. I just want to first drain our lentil. It's a can, you can cook it as well, but as I said, I don't have a lot of time, therefore I try to avoid it if I can, to do something healthy but quick. And I don't think there's nothing wrong with the can. Just rinse it. That's done. Ready. I bought those one which are already pre-cooked. You can try fresh one. Maybe next time I try the fresh one. Let's see how that goes. But I suppose with this one, again, it's faster. It's peeled, cooked. Therefore, it's help. If you are short of the time, just do it. You want to really dice them to small pieces. Just dice them. Yeah, that's good enough. I think, as you can see, it starts to be a bit golden color, and I'm going to add some of the spices now. Sweet paprika, I'll just put another 1 spoon. Coriander seed grinded, I add another big spoon. And chili flake. One spoon as well. Maybe I add a tad more olive oil in them. Just mix them. Since you start to smell your spices, I don't want it over toasted. I think they'll lose that smell. I think since the start, I'm gonna add my lentil. Mix it up. Already looking interesting. And the last is our beetroot. Actually, one thing you can add, and I'll try to add it now, which I didn't mention, is if you have a curry leaf. Obviously curry leaf, they give nice kind of aroma to this, but also from our eyes like to see if the food is more interesting and more colorful, our eyes like it more, and we know we try to eat rainbow food, which has more color in your diet. It's better for you. Therefore, I'm going to go and grab some curry leaf from our trees, and if you don't have it, you can buy it in a lot of especially Indian, Pakistani stores, and you can freeze it as well. Some curry leaf which are washed. Basically, I put them in here and just a bit of frying them. I think it looks quite good. What do you think? It doesn't take that long, really. It's a fast, light meal or salad or side dish. You can add it to your daily diet with a bit of bread or roti or by itself. I think it's almost done. Just I'm waiting till those leaves get a bit more softer. But we are almost there. I hope you try this side dish or light food for yourself as well and enjoy it with your family and friend. And usually when a lot of people they're thinking about healthy eating or healthy food, they think it's hard or it's not interesting. You can make it very interesting and can be very tasty, and really you just imagine you want to mix something together which you think is good and try it, and you know, sky is the limit. I never thought, you know, you can fry the beetroot with the lentil and, you know, eat it the way it is, but I'm quite open to new idea, and I think you should be the same if you want to, you know, just make fun in your life, and you know, just eating is important part of our life. And when you eat well, your body perform well, and you'll feel better, and you basically enjoy your life much better as well. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumb up and share it with your family and friend. And if you haven't subscribed yet, it'd be nice if you can do so, but I appreciate if you don't have to. And I would like to just say thank you for watching this video, and looking forward to see all of you in my next video. Take care, eat healthy, and try new things. Bye for now.